My name is Ted Denney. I'm the lead designer here at Synergistic Research, and I'd like to show you our system that we are showing our new technology, the new Synergistic Research active ground block at the Los Angeles Audio Show 2017. The system is comprised of Magico S7 loudspeakers, McIntosh 601 monoblock amplifiers, being fed by a Synergistic Research PowerCell 12 UEF SE line conditioner with a Galileo UEF power cord. The new Atmosphere XL4 field generator. This is brand new at the show. All previous Atmospheres had only two antennas, one front, one back, radiating out the signal. This has four antennas, one front, one back, and one on each side for a 360-degree field effect. The new Atmosphere XL4 has twice the power of the original Atmosphere XL, which itself was 4 times as powerful as the original Atmosphere. We're also using the Synergistic Research Vibratron, which is a point source acoustic resonator. And all around the room we have Synergistic Research UEF acoustic panels and strategic use of Synergistic Research HFT, high frequency transducers, to treat the acoustics. All components in the system are resting on top of Synergistic Research Tranquility Base XL UEFs. This is an active electromagnetic platform that not only isolates the components from mechanical resonance, but also balances out electromagnetic fields in the circuit, so it conditions signal while it's still in the component. Very powerful technology. As I say, all components in the system are resting on top of active Synergistic Research Tranquility bases. This is the new Synergistic Research active ground block. We're launching it right now at LAAS. This is one of the most powerful and transformative products in my company's 25-year history. It creates an active star ground point that filters ground and lowers noise floor in the system dramatically. You simply take one of these wires, plug it into the back of a component, whether you have a ground post as you do on this McIntosh preamplifier, or on the DAC, we're plugging it into an unused RCA port. Every component that you connect to the active ground block lowers the system's noise floor, so the system becomes more dynamic, more transparent, and more three-dimensional. For treating the acoustics, we're using the Synergistic Research UEF acoustic panel. They establish a grid pattern around the room for treating the acoustics. We're also using HFTs, standard HFTs at high and low positions in the room and on the ceiling. And to tie everything together, we're using the Atmosphere XL4. Okay, we're going to play a symphony with all of the Synergistic Research technology in place. The UEF acoustic panels, the black box bass resonators, all of the Tranquility bases will be turned on. The Atmosphere XL4 will be turned on, the Vibratron will be in place, and the active ground block will be on, and the PowerCell 12 UEF SEs will both be on. We'll listen to about a minute of the track, and then we're going to pause the symphony, remove all of the Synergistic technology, and let you hear what the system sounds like without this technology in place. And then step by step, product by product, we will reintroduce Synergistic Research back into the room so you can see how each of the individual components contribute to the overall sound. All right, let's get started. We're now going to remove all of the Synergistic Research tech from the room, including the HFT or high frequency transducers from the speakers. This is an HFT-X. It goes below the tweeter and on the top. See their little horns, and we're simply going to turn them upside down. HFT 2.0s are on the side of the speaker, just held in place with museum putty. Standard HFT at the very bottom of the speaker, and a standard HFT at the back of the speaker. So everything will be removed. We've now removed all of the SR tech that is practical to remove from the system. We're now going to play the system. Well, we can still turn this off. We're now going to play the system at the exact same volume level we had before, but without the advantage of the Synergistic technology. Hopefully you'll be able to hear this. We're now going to return the UEF acoustic panels to their location, and we're going to turn on the Atmosphere XL4 field generator and the Vibratron point source resonator to its position. We've now returned about 75% of the acoustic treatment to the room, and we're going to hit play again from the top. Same volume level, same microphone position. We will now return the 3 black box bass resonators to the room, as well as turning on the Atmosphere field generator. Taking it from the top, again with the same volume level as before. We will now return the HFTs to their speakers. We put HFT 2.0s on the side of the speaker, standard HFT below the woofer, HFT X below the tweeter, HFT X on top of the speaker, and a standard HFT behind the speaker. I'm just going to continue to play from where we left off. We're now going to return the active portion of the Synergistic Research PowerCell 12 UEF SE power conditioners. I'm going to turn on the Synergistic Research active Tranquility base, also an electromagnetic cell. And we're going to turn on the active ground block, which is also an electromagnetic cell. So all the iterations of the Synergistic Research patented electromagnetic cell technology have been turned on, and we'll continue to play from where we left off. So I'd really like to thank you for coming and visiting us here at the LAAS 2017 audio show. Hopefully you were able to hear how the inclusion of synergistic research technology in the system and the room actively lowers the noise floor, increases resolution, and realistic three-dimensional holography, as well as proper timbral accuracy. Thank you for coming, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.